Hi friends, my name is Akil Ahmed, and in this particular video tutorial I will show you how to open, close and save the Excel file in C Sharp. So the agenda of today's video tutorial is that we will see like how we can open an Excel file, then close the Excel file and save the Excel file. So after running the process, the last modified date and the create date of the Excel file should be the current date time. So without wasting further time, we jump to the demo. So in my D files location, I got an employee.xls file, and if you see at the date modified of this particular file, so it's 17th February 2024. But what I want is that when I execute some process, for example a console app or a SSIS package, then what should happen, that the same file should be recreated. I mean, what should happen, that a new file should be created from this Excel file, and then the old file should be deleted and the new file should be renamed to the old file, so that the same file employee.xls, it should have the current date time. Okay, so how we can do that using SSIS? So I have actually written some code here in C# console app which can do the task for us, and the code is written inside the main method. So you can simply copy and paste this particular code inside the SSIS package as well, inside the script task, if you want to execute it from the script task. But if you want to run it from the console app, then you can also do that. So right now you are seeing some errors that it is missing some namespace. So this microsoft.office.interop.excel. So you can go to the references, right click on the reference, then add reference. Now if you click on the com component, so inside the com component you can type Excel here. So if you type Excel, then you might find this particular library, Microsoft Excel 16.0 object library. So you can take the checkbox and click on OK. So this particular DLL will be added into the references, and now you can see that the error has also gone. Okay, so let me explain you like what we are doing here in couple of minutes. So we have created these two variables, they are related to the logging. So in case if the process will fail, then it will create the error log underscore current date time file at this location, D files logs. So you can change this particular folder location according to the path on your machine. Then this is the folder path in which the file is situated, and then this is the path of the file, the full file path, like employee.xlsx. So suppose if you want to run the process on a new file every time, then what you can do, you can pass this value through an SSIS variable as well. For example, you can declare an SSIS variable and then you can pass the value to the script component. So this value needs to be changed. Okay, and now in this particular code we are creating an instance of the Excel application. Then we are trying to open the Excel file and then reading the first sheet from the Excel file. Now what we are doing, we are checking if the file underscore new.xlsx file exists, then drop the file. Now here we are actually saving the original file with the name as underscore new.xlsx. Okay, so for example we have the employee.xlsx file. So at this particular line, the new file employee underscore new.xlsx should be created. Then we are deleting the original file, closing the instances of the Excel application, and here we are actually renaming the underscore new file with the original name. So this is the code, and in case if any exception will occur, then it will actually create a error log underscore current date time dot log file and will write the exception details to that particular log file. So let me just try to execute this particular process, and I can maybe run it, I can debug it and show you like how this will run line by line, but you can actually remove the breakpoint and you can execute it. So I can press F10 from here, and now we are just declaring all the variables here. Okay, so now at this particular line number 36, it's actually creating an instance of the Excel application. Okay, and now it has read the first sheet from the Excel file. And now here we are checking if the new file exists, then delete the Excel file. Now at this particular line, what it will do, it will actually create the new file. For example, a new file employee underscore new.xlsx will be created after execution of this particular line. So I can click on F10. So now a file should be created here. So you can see that a new file got created. Okay, and now if I click on continue, then it will actually delete the original file. Okay, so the original file got deleted now, and then it will actually close the Excel application, which is the instances which are opening behind the scene, and then at this particular line, now it will rename the employee underscore new Excel file with the employee Excel file. Okay, so now it's doing the rename. So for rename, there is a move method in the C# in the file class. So now you can see that the file has been renamed with the original file name. So now you can click on continue. So this was the code which can be used to open the Excel file, close the Excel file, and save the Excel file. So yeah, this was actually asked by a person in the comment of the video, so I thought to make a video on this one. So I will share the link of the code so that you can download the code from the link in the description of the video. Yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like the video, then please click the like button. Do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and click on all so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much.